Hello guys, welcome back to Sleeping Dogs walkthrough. Today it is episode 6. Yeah, so last time when we left off we were chasing this guy for watchers, I think. So yeah, let's get straight back into it.
Oh shit!
Blazing Star, Hong Kong's premier jewelers.
I thought you said this was gonna be easy.
Sorry about this music. I really want to get rid of it. How do I get rid of it? Car music volume. There we go. This is better. I need to wait for the escort.
Hurry up, man, they're getting away!
Oh. I battered that guy.
Run him off the road!
I can't run him off the road. He's on the wrong side. Oh god. I can't get him.
That's them! Get them! Get them! Get them!
I can use RAM to speed ahead.
Don't let them get away, man!
Nearly there.
Whoa! Again, hit him, man! We did it, man! We did it! Hang on, I'll go get the watches.
Oh, they are watches. Oh, is this a
Let's go,
cutscene?
Jackie! Hurry up! Wait! We got him!
We got him then.
Oh!
Oh god, what was that noise?
Damn, that was crazy, man! We did it! Holy shit! We did it! Check it out! It's raining cavalry out! That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches? What? What do you mean cheap? Jackie, these are fake as fuck! Holy shit, Silo, the cops drive! Wait, drive! Where's it come from?
It's like, oh my god, that thing just hovering.
Now why can't we just leave us alone?
Oh my
Oh
god.
shit!
Yeah, I did it. I can't because I'm driving a car.
Did you lose them? Ah!
My god, they make a lot of noise. Boom. Right, there we go.
I think that's it. Yeah, you're gone. We're clear, man. No wonder there's so many criminals in this town. Those cops suck! What do you think will happen to Dog Eyes? I don't know. He's an asshole, poor guy. But he has friends in high places. Whoa! Crazy person. Hey, he's a piece of shit. Don't be afraid of him. Man, wait, you just got back. Get to know who's who before you start talking about bosses that way. Listen, Jack. Comes a time you gotta stand up to guys like that no matter who's backing them. What caused the bad blood? Don't know. They used to be tight, though. Hard to believe Dog Eyes would turn on a friend like that. He always was a shit. Even when we were kids.
I think Jackie gets caught. He's probably gonna get caught.
So where's this guy want me to? Don't worry. I'll take it from here. I'm sure you don't want me to stick around. Oh, man, I've got it under control. So, Nola. Alright, your deal. Hey, wait. You did good out there. Here. Take this watch. You earned it. Great. Finally at the big time.
I still got my knife. Oh, I leveled up. Oh, I can upgrade. Strike resistance. Strike damage bonus. This one.
Oh, 再查嘛。
Shut up.
打电话来。这是几个呢？
Shut up.
你说，你打这里，
Whoa, this guy knows karate.
你买真水了，打就打。你说。
Yeah, nice moped. I think I'm just gonna do free roam for now and just mess around.
Hey, hey.
Get on a bike.
快点，快点。
That guy just like leads straight into a bike. Yeah, look at me. My good bike. Ow. Ow. Beep beep. Ow. Whoa. Don't want the knife. What's up? What's up? You punch. I punch. You punch. I punch. You punch. I kill. You're being weird. I'm gonna end this video in about 3 minutes. Yeah, I just start doing a free roam again. Let's just ride around on my bike. Let me on my bike. There we go. Oh, what's down here? Oh god.
I was following Crazy Loud all night.
Cops. Excuse.
Rented about from.
Oh, what's this? It's a box. Open. 10 grand! Oh wow, I'm like rich now. Yuko. I want this bike. What? I got cops. A weird combination. Cops. Sorry, but oh god. Whoa, this is fast. It's hard to control. I'm a cop as well. Yo, look at me. Whoa. Stood up. Do some acrobatics. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, how'd you? Oh wow. I'm gonna lose him. Oh god. Hello, coming through. Coming through. Coming through. Just coming through. Coming through. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Oh. I think I'm going to end this video here. And I'll see you next time. Subscribe if you like it.